Let's kick things off with something hypnotic, a levitating globe. It floats in midair on a magnetic field and slowly spins all by itself, while the built-in light turns it into a tiny glowing planet on your desk. There are no strings or stands, just precise electronics adjusting the globe thousands of times a second to keep it floating. On a shelf or a desk, it looks like something straight out of the future and instantly grabs everyone's attention. A perfect gift for anyone obsessed with space and tech. This one is wild. A paper airplane that turns into a drone. You fold a regular paper plane, clip on a lightweight motor module, and control the flight straight from your smartphone. It blends a childhood dream with modern tech. Your paper plane actually flies wherever you want and pulls off real turns. A single charge gives you a few minutes of pure fun, and the module pops onto a fresh plane in seconds. This little beast replaces canned air for good. Inside is a turbine spinning up to 150,000 RPM, blasting dust, crumbs, and pet hair out of your keyboard, your PC, your laptop fans, even your car. It runs on a battery, charges over USB, and works thousands of times, unlike those one-time cans that keep eating your money. It comes with a few nozzles for the tight spots. Honestly, cleaning your gear with this is oddly satisfying. The TOSY light-up disc is a frisbee from the future. It's packed with bright LEDs that glow and shift through millions of colors, so you can play even in total darkness. The body is soft and shatterproof. It charges over USB, and the battery lasts for ages. In the air, it leaves a mesmerizing trail of light and turns a simple game into a show. Perfect for parties, the beach, and night games in the yard. Cronus Zen is a serious device for gamers. This adapter lets you connect any controller to any console, play on Xbox with a PlayStation pad, or even with a mouse and keyboard. On top of that, it runs scripts and macros, pulling off complex combos with a single button. A powerful tool that genuinely levels up your game. A pocket laser measure, a tiny miracle for renovations and rearranging. Point the beam at a wall, and in a split second the exact distance shows up on the screen. It calculates length, area, and volume, adds up results, and remembers your measurements. No more dragging a metal tape across the whole room or holding it so it doesn't slip. It fits in your pocket, charges over USB, and is accurate to a couple of millimeters. A lifesaver when buying furniture, curtains, or a rug. A wearable Bluetooth speaker from DEWALT. Your sound goes everywhere with you. Clip it to your belt, backpack, or strap to keep your hands free, and it still pumps out surprisingly powerful sound for its size. The rugged body shrugs off dust and splashes, so it's right at home on a job site, in the garage, or out in nature. It charges over USB and plays all day. A tough little gadget for people who want their music close by, anywhere they go. The Redragon gaming mouse is a killer pick without overpaying. A sensor with up to 8,000 dpi gives you high precision and instant response in shooters. Several programmable buttons map to your actions and macros, and the bright RGB lighting shifts colors to match your setup. It has a comfy grip, glides smoothly on any pad, and the weight is adjustable. For the price, it gives you almost everything the expensive models do, but costs noticeably less. A tiny desktop vacuum that cleans where a big one is useless. It sucks up crumbs, eraser shavings, pencil dust, and any small mess right off your desk. Just press it down and it switches on by itself. It runs on batteries or a rechargeable cell and comes apart easily for cleaning. Perfect for a work desk, for anyone who sketches, builds models, or snacks at the computer. A compact screen cleaning kit, a satisfying must-have for your phone and tablet. The soft pad and brush wipe away fingerprints, dust, and grease without streaks or scratches. It slips into a pocket or bag, so your screen always looks brand new. A small thing, but it feels great when your phone is perfectly clean. For gaming fans, a cable holder shaped like Master Chief from the legendary Halo. The figure stands on your desk and neatly holds your charger, earbuds, and cables so they don't fall or tangle. It's both a cool desk decoration and a genuinely useful gadget. A great gift for any gamer. A Carabiner multi-tool that always hangs right on your keys. Engineers packed a whole kit into this tiny body. A folding knife, screwdrivers, a bottle opener, wrenches, and small tools. The carabiner itself is sturdy enough to hold keys, a bag, or gear. Hiking, fishing, in the garage, or just around town when you suddenly need to unscrew, cut, or open something, it's always on hand. Instead of a toolbox, you carry one small stainless steel piece that lasts for years. A mini drone with an HD camera that fits right in your palm. Despite the size, it holds its altitude, stabilizes itself in the air, and films video from above straight to your phone. Guards around the propellers protect it from crashes into walls, so you can learn to fly even inside your apartment. Control it from the remote or your smartphone, and pull off flips and tricks with a single button. It's seriously addictive for kids and adults alike. And to finish, a true guest from the future, a levitating Bluetooth speaker. Its top half floats in the air above the base and spins as it plays, so the sound spreads evenly in every direction. It pairs with your phone in a couple of seconds, and when the charge runs low, the orb just drops onto the base to recharge. The ring of light around it adds atmosphere at night. It's music, decor, and a guaranteed wow for any guest, all in one. It looks like a sci-fi exhibit but costs surprisingly little.